Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way of setting up your Facebook pixel on Shopify in 2025. Now for this method, there is no coding experience needed and the setup is also not going to be long. It will be just a quick method to get tracking working. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first step, you will have to first of all open your web browser on your PC. Then you need to simply search for business.facebook.com. Now, once you are here on your Meta Business Suite, you need to make sure that you log in here with that particular account of yours on which you have your pages available. Now, once this step is done, here in the left hand side, when you click on this drop down menu, you are going to see all of the business accounts or the business assets that are available on this particular page. Now here, if there is no business portfolio you have created before, you will have to create a business portfolio first. So click on the option of create a business portfolio. After that, you need to give your business portfolio name and some of your details. Then click on the option of create in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, as you can see, I have already created it. So once you have done that, simply go to the settings of your Meta Business Suite. After that, in the accounts tab, we have the data sources. So when you click on this drop down menu of the data sources, we have the third option of data sets and pixels. So this is what we want. So after clicking on the pixels option, it is going to show you the add option. So when you click on the option of add option, it is going to ask you to provide the pixel and the pixel ID. So in order to get that pixel ID, simply come here on your Shopify dashboard. Over here, go to the settings in the left hand section. Here you will find the option of apps and sales channels. So when you click on it, you are going to see Facebook and Instagram by Meta application. So if it is not available on your store, you can just simply click on the option of add app. After that, select the option of Facebook and Instagram Meta. You need to install it and then simply click on the option of connect account. You need to basically connect your Facebook account with your Shopify store. Then you are going to find your pixel ID over here. So once you have your pixel ID available in your Shopify dashboard, simply copy it from here. After that, come here on this page, click on the option of add and add your pixel ID. So this way you will be able to set up your Facebook pixel on Shopify in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.